Simplify. 6z minus 5 divided by 49 minus fraction 4z minus 6 divided by 21. Solution. We have 6z minus 5 divided by 49 minus 4z minus 6 divided by 21. Now, the first thing we need to do is to find the LCM of the denominators. We have 49 and 21. We need to get the LCM. To get the LCM, what are we going to do? Now, from this question, we have 49, we have 21. We can use 7 first. 49 divided by 7, that is 7. And from here, 21 divided by 7, we also have 3. So in this case, we can still use 7. 7 divided by 7, what are we having? 1. And 3 divided by 7, 3 is not a multiple of 7, so we still write 3. Now we now use 3, because we must exhaust this, such that we have 1 at the end of everything. So we'll still write 1 here. 3 divided by 3, what are we having? 1. So you can see we're having 1, 1 at the end. So the product of these 3 numbers will form our LCM. So the LCM of 49 and 21 will be equals to 7 times 7 times 3. Now, 7 times 7 is 49. What is 49 times 3? Now, 3 times 9 we have 27. And by the time you carry 2, 3 times 4, 12, plus 2, 14. So we have 147. So the product of 7 times 7 times 3 is 147. And that is the LCM of the denominators. And in this case, 49 times 21 is not the same thing as the LCM, which is 147. Take note of that. So this is equals to, we have the LCM, which is 147. Now, 147 divided by 49. What do we have? 3. So this 3 we multiply the first numerator, which is 6z minus 5. Then minus, what's the next thing? What we are going to do now, 147 divided by 21. 147 divided by 21 is 7. So we have 7. So this 7 we multiply everything here. 4z minus 6. That is the second numerator. Is equals to what? Now, the next thing for us to do is to expand the brackets at the numerators. Expand the bracket at the numerator. 3 times 6z. What do we have? 18z. This same 3 multiply this. The same 3 we also multiply minus 5. So we have minus 15. Now, the next thing for us to do is to use minus 7 to expand the bracket here. Minus 7 we multiply 4z. Minus 7 times 4 is minus 28. So minus 7 times 4z will give us minus 28z. Now, that same minus 7 we multiply minus 6. Minus times minus will give us what? Plus. 7 times 6 is what? 42. So we have minus 7 times minus 6 will give us plus 42. So everything divided by 147. Simplify. How do we simplify further? Is to collect the like terms at the numerator. Collecting the like term, what do we have? Bringing those that look alike together. And what are they? The first one, 18z. Then minus 28z. Then we bring minus 15 and plus 42 together. Minus 15 plus 42. Then divided by 147. what are we going to have? This will be equals to 18z minus 28z. You are taking away a bigger number from a smaller number. Normally, 28 minus 18 will give us 10. 28 minus 18 will give us 10. Now, 18 minus 28 now will give us minus 10. So, 18z minus 28z will give us minus 10z. Minus 10z. Then, minus 15 plus 42 is the same thing as 42 minus 15. Now, 42 minus 15 is 27. That will give us 27. So we have plus 27 here. Everything divided by 147. And we can write this as what? We can also write it as 27 minus 10z divided by 147. And that is the solution to the problem. Thank you.